shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we'll walk hand in hand someday. We shall all be free. We shall all be free. We shall all be free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall all be free someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. The Lord will see us through. The Lord will see us through. The Lord will see us through someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe the Lord will see us through someday. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Welcome viewers to the channel of Professor Ashish. Viewers, subscribe my channel for latest updates on astrology, spirituality and topics pertaining to meditation. Viewers, what are the profession which a Scorpio zodiac sign people should choose so that they can get name, fame, prosperity? For the past 25 years, I am involved in astrology, although I am a professor of a management subject. This hobby has helped me to learn this science very deeply for the past 25 years. I am pouring you my experience with you, and I am very sure if you follow the suggestions which the ancient astrological text says what Scorpio sign people should adhere, definitely they will get success in their life. Scorpio sign is the enigmatic, loyal, intuitive, and curious mind who rarely gives up. I will say, regardless of how much someone knows about their Scorpio friends, they may never truly learn about what they actually think or feel. Scorpio people tends to keep secrets and only let a few people considered loyal close to them. For them, trust plays a crucial role in their lives and they always want to do the right things to create better conditions for all as far as astrology is concerned. They are the people basically born between 23rd October to 22nd November. Viewers, any workplace would benefit from the presence of a driven, curious, hardworking, resourceful, and sometimes fearless Scorpio who showcases great communication and analytical skill. Despite the increased emphasis on working in teams to get to know more points of view, Scorpio people prefer to work alone without much supervision. They often reach higher positions and manage their subordinates well, even if they often follow their intuitions or act in a stubborn way when determining what to do next. They can handle money well and adapt to all type of situations easily. While viewers, Scorpios rarely give in spite of having a short attention span. They create obstacles for themselves and perhaps others by holding a grudge against those who have been betrayed them. Taking into account all the positive and negative traits of Scorpio personality, researcher, psychologist, care provider, writer, financial advisors, investigators, investigative journalist, and marketing specialist could be listed among the best jobs for Scorpio zodiac sign people. If you are in this kind of jobs, you will get the planetary favor. The best job, I will say, the first for the Scorpions will be their freelance writer. Freelance writing is also among the best jobs for Scorpions. Why? First and foremost, it gives them the opportunity to enjoy their own company and help them keep a distance, to remain mysterious. Secondly, earning money by writing freelance allows them to explore a lot of new territories. Hence, allaying their curiosity, stubbornness might be considered as a negative trait, but not in the case of writers. It takes time and hard work to build a reputation or a solid client base, and the Scorpio won't stop until they reach their goal. As a freelance writer, a Scorpio can embark on several paths. As an investigative journalist, their curiosity would lead them to bring justice to people. As a copywriter following guidelines, they could contribute to the success of non-profit or profit-oriented organizations. In addition to this, a Scorpio may start blogging or writing fiction and non-fiction books, benefiting from being resourceful and intuitive. Working with an international client or Scorpio would save even more money on transaction using a digital bank. Hence, I will suggest if you are a Scorpio, you can go for freelance writer. Today, there are a number of organizations which are recruiting people after the interview process, after consulting astrologers on the basis of the recruited people's zodiac sign. Because in this way, they can many hidden information you can gather about a person whom you are going to recruit, what kind of behavior, what kind of adjustment, what kind of loyalty you will possess, which no interview can elicit. Only astrology can elicit the hidden things. Even to me also, some of the companies have approached how we can use astrology in recruitment process. There is a new trend emerging so that many hidden things could be known, and the company who spends billions of dollars to build their business should not face loss because of HR issues or recruited the wrong people who may be a liability later on. Hence, astrology is emerging in recruitment also. Second profession for a Scorpio people, I will say healthcare and medical jobs. No doubt, Scorpio people are very good doctors, surgeons. What equips a Scorpio to work in the care sector is their appreciation for loyalty and trust in their relationships, in both their professional and private life. If they care about someone, they will never let the other person down unless the trust built disappear. Therefore, Scorpio people may set off to work as professional caretaker or massage therapist. The hours invested in their education and their friendly attitude to their patient or their clients will pay off. Viewers, they would listen to them carefully and provide excellent care for their patients, clients, hopefully for a long time. As they know how to handle money, they would know how to develop, expand their business while putting some money aside monthly. Third profession, viewers, I will say marketer. Scorpions are very good marketer. If you are a owner of a company, would like to recruit people for your marketing department, just go for Scorpions. They will be passionate marketer, superb energy, superb motivation, and highly charged and give you success. Marketing and growth hacking jobs are in high demand right now. Viewers, looking at both the positive and negative trait, Scorpio possesses, they could support any type of business and non-profit organizations in their quest for serving their target groups better. A Scorpio would analyze the situation and plan a strategy based on that while also listening to their gut feeling. They could communicate the approach chosen, the results, and the adjustment needed to succeed in a clear and comprehensible way, always adapting their language, tone, and style to their client. Thanks to their curiosity, they would not feel intimidated by any subject and try themselves in different industries and sectors. Fearing their short attention span would cause them any trouble. They should look for affiliate marketing opportunities that will help them to grow. Even I will say in any marketing job, a recruiter must give priority to Scorpio zodiac people if you want to grow your organizations, if you want to grow your business, if you want more profit, just go for Scorpio people. The next job I will say for Scorpio zodiac people is financial advisor. Viewers, money is a very necessary things. Money is a necessity even if some people love to use barter. Many people lack the talent to manage their finance in a sustainable way without hitting rock bottom. Not to mention that numerous people have developed a negative attitude towards money and show no interest in increasing their earning by investing in something. Scorpios know how to save money and how to deal with all types of people under any circumstances, and therefore working as a financial advisor is one of the best job for Scorpio. Writing detailed reports on the financial transactions being done would barely challenge a Scorpio thanks to their great analytical skill. In case the report must be presented, a Scorpio would find a way to get their even most complicated message across. As a financial advisor, a Scorpio should decrease the level of their stubbornness and try not to act so much based on intuition. Losing someone else's money is no fun. In your organization, if you are recruiting for finance department, look for Scorpio. They will do their job perfectly and they are the right in terms of astrology for the profession. The next job, viewers, I will say for the Scorpio people is they must go for online selling. I will say online seller. One must engage in conversation with others to sell something to them, whether they discuss the details online or offline. Scorpio people know when to speak and when to just listen to what someone needs to say. As a seller, they have to gather enough information on what the customer wants to able to recommend the right product or service to them. What would be a better way than selling their own stuff to do that? Today, anyone can open an online shop and connect with customer with less and more difficulties one from all over the world. Thanks to the passion that drives the Scorpio and their ability to adjust to a new situation, nothing will stop them from selling their craft or their unused or vintage items. Their intuition may help them come up with right price in case the customer is ready to negotiate. I will advise for you try for something on online selling. If you are a recruiter, they are the right marketer, right recruiter. Any kind of communication, you must recruit Scorpio or Scorpio must do jobs, marketing jobs where they need communication more, intelligent communication, intuitive communication. I will say another job, mystery shopper. An inexperienced Scorpio who wants to earn some money on the side should consider working as a mystery shopper. This kind of job requires them to use their excellent analytical and communication skill. Mystery or secret shopper visit a variety of stores, restaurant, hotel to assess product and services. They receive a set of instruction and perform their task alone on location without a supervision checking all their moves. Mystery shopper must act naturally and blend in, which won't be problem knowing how enigmatic a Scorpio can be. Viewers, these are some of the professions which are recommended in the astrological text for Scorpio zodiac sign people. If they choose this sign, they will do excellent. It is other matter that there are jobs which Scorpions are doing which is not as per their zodiac sign. It is also true that in that job, if they are using more analytics, analytical skill, communication, they will be more successful. In these jobs, they have more planetary favor. As I said, now the trend has emerging that after the HR recruits, they are again rechecking a person's zodiac sign for industrial compatibility, job compatibility, and it's in fact very correct. It will give a lot of information about a person whom you do not know anything. Share my channel, viewers, subscribe, stay in touch. Do ask me any astrological questions. Send me date of birth, time, place. Whenever I am free, I will respond to you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, someday. We shall all be free. We shall all be free. We shall all be free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall all be free someday.